Uh, so, as we begin our journey today, so let's start with an introduction to robotics. So, robotics is a fast evolving field that merges engineering, computer science, and artificial intelligence. So, throughout this session, we'll cover the fundamentals of robotics, exploring its history, types, key concepts, uh, and real-world applications. So, we'll also touch on the ethical and societal impacts of robotics, including how it affects the workspace. First thing first, what exactly is robotics? At its core, robotics is a field of engineering that focuses on designing, constructing, and operating robots. So these robots are programmable machines that can perform tasks automatically. So some are designed to mimic human actions, while others are built to surpass our physical abilities in precision, speed, and endurance. So there are a few essential components of any robotic system: sensors, actuators, control systems, and power sources. So sensors help robots perceive the environment. Actuators allow them to interact with the world. Control systems process the information, while the power source keeps everything running. So together, these are the simple key components. So together, these parts enable robots to carry out tasks from mundane to the extraordinary. So let's take a brief walk through the history of robotics. So while robotics may seem like a modern marvel, so its roots trace back to ancient civilizations. So where early mechanical devices were created for various purposes. Uh, so the real breakthrough came during the Industrial Revolution of the 20th century, when we saw the rise of industrial robots that completely transformed manufacturing. So fast forward to today, modern robotics is advancing at an astonishing pace, especially with the integration of artificial intelligence and machine learning, which are making robots smarter and more autonomous than ever before. So robots come in many shapes and sizes, each designed for a specific task. So let's break down a few types. Industrial robots are commonly used in manufacturing to perform repetitive tasks with precision and efficiency. Service robots assist with humans with daily tasks such as cleaning, deliveries, and even healthcare. Humanoid robots are designed to look and function like humans and are often used in research or entertainment. So each type of robot serves a unique purpose, but collectively they are transforming how we work, live, and interact with technology. So now let's touch on a few key concepts. First, automation is one of the most significant aspects of robotics. So where machines perform tasks with the minimal human intervention. So second, AI, which is artificial intelligence, plays a crucial role in enabling robots to perceive, learn, and make decisions on their own. So this is where machine learning comes in. Robots learn from experience and data analysis, improving their performance over time. So they can do the self-learn over the time, and they can perform their performance, efficiency, and more accurately by the time. So these concepts are the backbone of modern robotics and are rapidly pushing the boundaries of what robots achieve. So robots aren't just futuristic gadgets. So they are actively transforming industries today. So in manufacturing, robots automate repetitive tasks, increase efficiency, and ensure consistent product efficiency and ensure consistent product quality. In healthcare, they are revolutionizing surgery, rehabilitation, and even assistive care, making medical procedures more precise and less invasive. Uh, Robots are also making waves in agriculture as well. So, where they automate labor intensive tasks like planting, harvesting, and monitoring crops. Also, it's amazing how robotics reshapes is reshaping entire industries. boosting productivity and improving outcomes. So, in the third session, we will discuss the use cases of the robotics AI. So then you can learn more about how these robotics AI works in different industries. So robots are no longer confined to industries or labs. So they are entering our homes and daily routines. So think about robotic vacuums like Roomba. So they quietly go about cleaning our homes, saving us time and effort. Personal assistants like smart speakers now automate household tasks, help with scheduling, and control home devices with just a voice command. So uh, assistive robots are particularly transformative, offering support to the elderly and individuals with disabilities, improving their quality of life and independence. Uh, so the integration of robotics into our everyday life is just the beginning of a much larger shift. Um, Of course, with any technological advancement, there are benefits and challenges. So one of the key advantages of robotics is the efficiency. And just give me. Okay. Uh, so they can perform tasks with speed, so precision and consistency, often outperforming humans in repetitive work. So if you get to chat GPT as example, so it has a lot of efficiency and it will outperform in the humans work. You also know that. So but there are challenges too. The high initial cost of acquiring and maintaining robotic systems can be a barrier for some. So, and there are ethical concerns as well. So, especially regarding job displacement, privacy, and growing influence of AI in decision making. So, it's essential that we weigh these challenges against the benefits as we continue to embrace robotics in different spheres. Uh, One of the most exciting developments in robotics is the fusion with artificial intelligence. So, robots equipped with AI can perceive their environment through sensors. Uh, sorry. Uh, so, robots equipped with AI can perceive their environment through sensors, allowing them to respond intelligently to real world scenarios. Also, decision making capabilities powered by AI algorithms uh, what is called enable robots to process information and make informed decisions and even adapt to new situations on the move. So additionally, robots that leverage machine learning and AI can learn from experience much like humans and continuously improving their performance based on the past interactions. Uh, so to submit up the first topic, robotics is a field that is advancing rapidly and impacting almost every aspect of our lives, from industry and healthcare to daily household chores. So, as we continue to push the boundaries of AI and machine learning, the possibilities for what robots can achieve are endless. So, looking ahead, we encourage you to dive deeper into this world through hands on workshops, researches, or further learning. So, the future of robotics is bright and there's a lot more to explore. So, I touched here a very basic concept of robotics, and then you can self learn through YouTube's or through other sources and uh, so learn more about and explore more about these areas. So then we can sum up the first topic, introduction to robotics. Then we can go to the next topic. So if you have any questions, you can ask or you can put it in the chat box as well. Uh, Seems like there are enough questions, so we can go to the next topic: basic electronics and mechanics in robotics. Uh, Let me share my screen again. Give me a second. Okay, so in this session, we will talk about the basic electronics and mechanics in robotics. So robotics is a highly interdisciplinary field, and as we discussed, it is understanding how these two systems work together is essential for designing intelligent machines. So today we'll cover topics ranging from simple electrical components to mechanical structures, and we'll see how integrating these elements results in the sophisticated robots we use across various sectors like healthcare, manufacturing, and even in our daily lives. So robotic systems function through the interaction of two primary domains, so electronics and mechanics. Functions, sorry, that is. So these robotic systems functions with two primary domains. One is electronics and other one is mechanics. So electronics provide the intelligence, the ability to sense, process, and control. So mechanics provide the physical structure and the movement. So this synergy allows robots to perform complex tasks, whether it's assembling a car, delivering a package, or assisting in surgery. Throughout this presentation, we see how these two aspects are combined to create robots with diverse capabilities. Without electronics, mechanics are just a framework. So without mechanics, electronics cannot achieve real world tasks. So let's see how these two working together. And the electronic components in a robot serve as its nervous system. So these components, resistors, capacitors, diodes, and transistors are critical in controlling electrical flow. So resistors limit the current, capacitors store electrical energy, and transistors act as a switches to turn circuits on and off. So I hope you all know the basics of electronics. So diodes ensure electricity flows in the correct direction. So together they power the robots, sensors, and actuators, enabling it to perceive its environment and move accordingly. So these small, seemingly simple parts are what allow robots to process data, execute commands, uh, and likewise what make decisions in real time. So power is the lifeblood of a robot. So most robots can run on battery systems which supply the necessary energy to operate. So the design of these power systems is vital because the robots performs and efficiency directly depend on how well power is managed. So power management involves distributing the available energy to different components such as sensors, motors, and processors. So that the robot operates smoothly without energy waste. So depending on the robot's application, or it might use various power sources. So for instance, some robots use rechargeable batteries, while solar powered or fuel cell based systems are used in specialized environments like space exploration or underwater robotics. So sensors are what make a robot aware of its surroundings. So they allow the robot to gather information about its environment and respond accordingly. So proximity sensors are essential for detecting objects and avoiding collisions. Also, ultrasonic sensors, often used for navigation and send out sound waves and measure how long it takes for the waves to bounce back. So this gives the robot a sense of distance. So infrared sensors detect heat, making them useful for recognizing objects based on their thermal signature, which is crucial for applications like search and rescue or firefighting robots. So touch sensors also allow a robot to physically interact with objects, making them important for tasks that require delicate handling like surgery or product assembly. So those are simple sensors usually commonly used in the robotic industry. So microcontrollers and processors are the brains of the robot. So microcontrollers such as Arduino handle low-level tasks like controlling motors, lights, and sensors. So these devices process inputs from the environment and send signals to actuators for movement. This is essential for real-time operations. Uh, Processors, on the other hand, handle more complex tasks such as data analysis and high-level decision making. So this combination allows a robot to carry out multiple tasks at different level of complexity. So, for instance, while the for instance, microcontroller might be making sure the robot moves in a straight line. So the processor could be analyzing sensor data to determine if an obstacle lies ahead and decide on a new path. So actuators and motors are the muscle of a robot, so responsible for movement and control. So DC motors provide continuous rotation, which is perfect for simple repetitive motions like driving wheels or rotating parts. So stepper motors allows for more precise control by moving in fixed steps, making them ideal for robotics applications where accuracy is key, such as controlling a robotic arm. So servers are special because they combine a motor, a gearbox, and a control circuit to enable precise movement. So servers are more often used for tasks that require exact positioning, such as in robotics joints where accuracy in angles is important for smooth movement. So in the industries like manufacturing industries, they use server motors to build their robots arms because they need precise uh, positioning for do the exact uh, work or to pick the goods or whatever the task they need to do. So now let's focus on the mechanical side of the robotics. So the mechanical structure of frame is what gives a robot its physical shape and support. So it's like the skeleton and in a human body. So the frame needs to be strong yet lightweight to ensure the robot can move efficiently. So joints allow for flexibility and movement, enabling the robot to perform tasks like walking or manipulating objects. So linkages connect different parts of the robot and transfer motion, helping the robot's limbs or tools move smoothly and in coordination. So these mechanical components are crucial for the robot's mobility and ability to interact with the physical world. Kinematics is also about motion, specifically how a robot moves its limbs or body without considering the forces sorry considering the forces behind those movements. Forward kinematics calculates the position of a robot and effector, for example a robotic hand, based on joint movements, while inverse kinematics works backward uh, to figure out how the joints should move to reach a specific position. So dynamics, on the other hand, deals with the forces that cause motion. So this includes understanding how the forces generated by motors affect the robot's movement. So when you balancing kinematics and dynamics is critical for ensuring that a robot moves smoothly and efficiently while maintaining stability. So finally, we come to the integration of electronics and mechanics. So this is where the real magic happens in robotics. So electrical components provide control power in the sensors, motors, and computing systems, while mechanical components provide the structure and movement. So together, these elements create robots that are not only capable of sensing and processing information, but also capable of interacting physically with their surroundings. So, this integration is what enables robots to be more than just machines, turning them into intelligent systems capable to performing tasks that require both precision and adaptability. To sum up, robotics is a fascinating field that merges electronics with mechanics. Okay. Robotics is a very important field that merges electronics with mechanics. So by understanding the foundational components from both fields, we can appreciate the complexity of designing and building robots that are intelligent, functional, and adaptive. The synergy between electrical systems and mechanical structures enable robots to carry out tasks that range from simple movements to highly sophisticated operations. So, the second session also like basic electronics and mechanics is also conclude with this. So, if you have any question about this session, you can ask, or else we can move to the another session like use cases of robotics of AI. Or if you have questions, you can put it to the chat box as well. Like there are no questions, so we can move forward to the next session, which is use cases of robotics AI. So let me share my screen. Okay, I hope you can see my screen. So then we will dive into the transformative world of robotics and artificial intelligence technologies that are reshaping multiple industries in unprecedented ways. So, from manufacturing to healthcare, agriculture, logistics, and defense, AI-driven robotics is setting new standards for efficiency, precision, and safety. So, our presentation will explore innovative use cases, highlighting how these technologies are not only improving traditional processes, uh, but also creating entirely new approaches to solving some of most pressing challenges in these sectors. Uh, we aim to provide insights into the profound impact robotics AI is having and future potential it holds. One second. Okay. Uh, so AI-powered robotics. So in the robotics in manufacturing industries, so AI-powered robotics sounds are the cornerstone of modern industrial automation. so allowing companies to increase production while maintaining high quality. So these robots excel in performing tasks such as welding, painting, and assembly, where precision and consistency are crucial. So unlike traditional robots that follow a set program, AI-driven robotic arms use machine learning algorithms to learn from data and adapt to different tasks. So they can improve their accuracy over time and adjust to new requirements without reprogramming. So, in a factory setting, this means robots can work alongside human employees, augmenting their capabilities and ensuring that production lines run smoothly and efficiently. So another use case is predictive maintenance. Predictive maintenance. So predictive maintenance is a major breakthrough made possible by AI in industrial settings. So traditional maintenance schedules that can be inefficient, leading to unnecessary downtime or unexpected equipment failures. So with predictive maintenance, AI algorithms analyze real-time sensor data from machinery such as vibration, temperature, and pressure levels to identify patterns indicative of potential issues. So, this allows for early intervention before a minor issue escalates into a major breakdown. So, maintenance tasks can be scheduled precisely when needed, re- uh, reducing operational cost and maximizing equipment uptime. So, AI powered robots can even assist human technicians in performing these tasks, further optimizing maintenance process. So also in manufacturing, maintaining consistent quality is paramount. So an AI-powered robotic systems provide a solution that outperforms traditional methods. Sorry. AI powered robotic systems will outperform traditional methods. So these robots utilize machine vision technology. So computer vision, I hope all you know technology. This technology, so which uses cameras and AI algorithms to inspect products at a high level of detail. So they can detect minute defects or irregularities. I hope you all know defects, which are the products that contains damages or something like that. Those are the called defects or irregularities that might be missed by human inspectors. So the system continuously sorry, improves by learning from the data it collects, making the inception process more accurate over time. So this approach not only ensures that the products meet high quality standards, but also speeds up the inspection process, allowing manufacturers to increase output without sacrificing quality. So if you early detect these problems, these challenges, then you can uh, increase your manufacturing quantity, quality, and you can uh, what is good? You can save a very high operational cost as well. So cobots, collaborative robots, are designed to work directly alongside humans, complementing their efforts rather than replacing them. So AI enhances robots' ability to understand human actions and respond accordingly, making them suitable for tasks that require a combination of human dexterity and robotic strength. So, for instance, in assembly lines, cobots can handle tasks that are repetitive or require precision, while human workers focus on more complex decision making aspects. So cobots can also be programmed to recognize individual worker preferences, adapting their assistance to fit each worker's style and pace, which leads to safer and more productive work environments. So this will help the workers to do their works easily, and then they can focus on more complex tasks than doing repetitive tasks. So these cobots, collaborative robots, will help to do and will help to do those tasks. Uh, so in healthcare, robotics AI in healthcare, let's talk about that. So AI-powered surgical robots are transforming how surgeries are performed, especially minimally invasive procedures. Like these robots use AI algorithms to guide their movements with precision that surpasses human hands. So this is particularly valuable in delicate surgeries such as neurosurgery or cardiovascular procedures, where even the smallest error can have significant consequences. So these are not 100% accurate, but in other countries, they will use these robots to assist the doctors or surgeons. So AI surgical robots can also assist surgeons by providing real-time data and alerts based on the patient's vital signs, ensuring that any potential issues are addressed promptly. So the result is reduced um, recovery time for patients and a lower risk of post-operative complications. Uh, Rehabilitation is a crucial phase for patients recovering from injuries or surgeries, and AI-powered robots play a significant role in this process. So when we discuss, these robots can customize rehabilitation exercises based on a patient's progress and needs, providing the right level of resistance or support during physical therapy. So by continuously monitoring a patient's movements and adjusting the therapy in real time, so these robots help achieve better recovery outcomes. So AI-powered exoskeletons can also assist individuals with mobility impairments, like enabling them to regain the ability to walk and perform daily activities, thereby improving the quality of life for many people. Uh, so service robots in hospitals help streamline operations and enhance patient care. So, for example, AI-driven robots can deliver medications to patients. So, rooms at the right time, also reducing the workload on nurses and minimizing medication errors. So, patient transport robots can assist in moving patients safely between different hospital areas, reducing the physical strain on staff. So, moreover, these AI-powered sanitization robots equipped with ultraviolet UV light and disinfectants help maintain a clean and sterile environment by autonomously navigating the disinfecting hospital spaces, like significantly reducing the risk of infections. So they can help to reduce the infections, uh, like using those UV light and disinfectants. So, medical assistant robots serve a dual role in healthcare, so offering both companionship and practical support. So, for elderly or disabled patients, these robots can provide daily assistance by monitoring their health, reminding them to take medications, or even engaging them in conversation to alleviate loneliness. So, in our company also, we build a product. Uh, we built a product for this use case. I will discuss about that later. So this elderly care, then we can they can robots can, sorry, not the robots, it is a device, but this AI can even engage in them in conversation, like to elevate their loneliness. So continuous monitoring of vital signs can help uh, detect early signs of health deterior, what is called deterioration. So allowing caregivers to intervene promptly. So these robots not only support the physical needs of patients, but also contribute to their emotional well-being. So farming is becoming increasingly technological driven. So with AI powered robots leading the way. So let's talk about robotics AI in agriculture. So in the agriculture, precision farming robots use data from soil sensors like environmental monitors to make real-time decisions on planting, fertilizing, and watering. So they optimize these processes to ensure each crop gets the resources it needs, resulting in higher yields and reduced waste. So, for example, AI-driven irrigation systems can detect when specific areas of a field require water and adjust the watering schedule accordingly, which help conserve water and boost productivity. So harvesting can be labor intensive and challenging. So, but AI powered robots are making it more efficient and sustainable. These robots use computer vision to identify ripe fruits and vegetables. So, if we can train a model based on a data set, and then we can enter implement that model into a robot, and then we can use this robot to identify right fruits and vegetables. So there are a lot of use cases for using. We can do the computation. So we will talk about later, and ensuring that only the mature products are picked. So robotic arms are equipped with sensors to handle crops gently, preventing damage during the harvesting process. So additionally, AI algorithms can analyze crop data to determine the optimal time and route for harvesting, which maximizes efficiency and reduces labor cost. So, sorry. Please focus. So weeding is another critical aspect of sustainable farming that AI robots can improve. So using advanced computer vision, these robots distinguish between crops and weeds, allowing them to selectively target and remove weeds without damaging the crops. So this approach minimizes the need for chemical herbicides, promoting a mere eco-friendly farming practices. So the robots, uh, AI capabilities also enable them to adapt their strategies based on the conditions in the field, ensuring effective weed management. So AI drones equipped with imaging technologies like multispectral and thermal cameras provide farmers with valuable insights about crop health. So, multispectral imaging detects variations in plant color, which may indicate nutrient deficiency or disease, while thermal imaging identifies areas experiencing water stress. So the AI algorithms then analyze the drone collected data, helping farmers make informed decisions about where to apply fertilizers, pesticides, or additional water. So this targeted approach reduces resource use and enhance overall farm productivity. So another use case in this agriculture sector is we can detect uh, diseases in the leaves. If you look at the rice or potato or vegetables or fruits, we can detect these diseases. So there are a lot of AI tools in the industry nowadays. So if you they will also offer mobile applications as well. You can download it free to your mobile phone, then you can use that application. Not you, the farmers can use that application for free. Then they can detect, take a picture, and then it will analyze the picture, and they will tell what is the disease and what are the precautions you need to do, and what are the medications you need to do to these plants. So AI is leveraging these sectors more productively. So let's talk about robotics AI in logistics and warehousing. Give me a second. Okay, sorry for the waiting. AI-powered autonomous mobile robots, AMRs, have become essential for modern warehouses and distribution centers. So these robots can autonomously transport goods across large facilities. Sorry. Navigate around obstacles. So and find optimal routes to reduce congestions. So they assist with inventory tracking by continuously scanning products and updating stock levels. So ensuring that warehouses operate smoothly and can quickly respond to changes in demand. Uh, so another use case in stick is AI-based inventory management. So robots equipped with AI-driven sensors automate the scanning and updating uh, of inventory records in real time. So then, which helps prevent discrepancies and stockouts. So predictive algorithms. Okay, predictive algorithms also analyze sales trends and demand forecasts to determine the ideal time for restocking products. So, furthermore, AI can suggest optimized warehouse layouts based on product turnover rates, enhancing the efficiency of picking and storage process. So, nowadays, a lot of companies use these AI predictive maintenance methods, so inventory management systems like AI for demand forecasting, AI for warehouse management, a lot of what is called AI solutions used in their inventories and warehouses. Uh, so last mile delivery remains one of the most challenging aspects of logistics due to the complexity of navigating urban environments. So AI powered delivery robots and drones tackle this by using sophisticated mapping and navigation technologies to autonomously reach customers' doorsteps. So these solutions not only reduce delivery times but also lower transportation cost and environmental impact by optimizing delivery routes. So, but there are also a lot of challenges in these delivery robots if there is a very weather conditions like not in Sri Lanka, but in other countries, if there is a heavy snowing, so we can't do mobile delivery, robot delivery services. So it will stuck in the snow or get uh, damaged through the snow. So that is also a challenge in the weather aspect. Uh, sorry, I have a question. Uh, can I you see? I look it in. So, robots in defense and security. So, in robots in defense and security serve as a critical tools for surveillances, recon assistance, and emergency response. So AI-driven drones uh, and ground robots equipped with advanced sensors can detect and assess threats in real time, providing actionable intelligence. So, in search and rescue missions, autonomous robots can navigate hazardous environments, so locate survivors and deliver medical supplies. So, robotic skeletons, on the other hand, enhance soldiers' physical capabilities, allowing them to carry heavier loads and perform tasks with greater endurance. So AI is at the forefront of developing autonomous systems for combat operations. So AI-controlled drones and vehicles execute uh, reconnaissance missions by gathering intelligence and monitoring enemy movements. So these systems can also perform complex combat tasks autonomously, so such as launching precision strikes or providing tactical support. The use of AI in unmanned defense equipment not only reduces the risk to human soldiers, but also improves the speed and accuracy of military operations. Uh, so, as we've seen, robotics and AI are transforming industries in profound ways, offering new solutions to age old problems and opening doors to possibilities previously unimaginable. So, the examples we've discussed today are just the beginning. So, there are a lot of use cases in different industries. We only discussed few industries. So, the examples we've discussed today are just the beginning. So, with ongoing advancement in AI and robotics, we can expect to see even greater uh, efficiencies, improved safety standards, and innovative applications that will continue to reshape the future. So, the third session of the use cases of AI is also came to conclusion. So, we can, if you have any questions, you can ask. Uh, or we can move into the next part. Uh, it seems like there are no questions. So just give me a second before we move into the next session. Okay, sorry for the waiting, guys. So we can next move into the next session, next topic, uh, which is I will show you a product. I will explain you a product in our company. So it will be a little, it will be a small product. So not, I will just uh, explain about the product, not a demo session. I will just explain its features and the solutions we came up. So let me share my screen again. Okay. Um, I hope all can see my screen. So this is sorry, sorry. This is called ViceCare. It is an AI companion for aging adults. I earlier also discussed a use case of robotics AI, like elderly care. So this is focusing that use case. So this ViceCare is also a groundbreaking AI-driven companion designed specifically for aging adults. So as we know, many older adults today face increasing challenges. One of the most pressing being loneliness and social isolation. So specifically in the APAC region. So WiseCare directly addresses these issues by offering not just a product, but a warm, friendly companion. Sorry, friendly companion that enriches their lives. So it's more than sorry guys, it's more than just technologically. WiseCare is a tablet or mobile app. So it is a device and it have a system, so then it will foster social connection and keeps old adults cognitively engaged, so through personalized conversations, mind relaxing games, and seamless video chats. So ViceCare enhances their overall well-being, making their lives happier and more fulfilling. So, at the heart of this product, our mission to create meaningful connections and improve the cognitive health of all the adults. So, this product helps bridge the gap between aging adults and the social world around them. So, through personalized conversations and easy to use video chats with loved ones, so it brings the joy of companionship right into their hands. So, not only does it promote social connection, but it also helps keep users mentally sharp with a range of memory exercises and mind relaxing games that stimulate cognitive function. So, the combination of these elements, social connection and mental engagement, plays a crucial role in improving their overall well being. So, this product it is called Wise Care and doesn't just aim to be a device, so it aims to be a vital part of the user's life, so making them feel connected, engaged, and ultimately happier. So even if we go beyond this product, so we can build a robot or like a robot kind of a shape of a dog or a cat or like or a very little human being. So then we can include these functionalities into that robot, then it will also very helpful for this problem for elders. So let me now explain the innovative technology that this voice care makes possible. So our device leverages advanced AI algorithms like which allow it to learn and adapt to the unique preferences and behaviors of each user. So this personalized approach means that the more someone interacts with this product, this voice care, so the better it becomes at catering to their specific needs. So the AI collects and analyzes data based on user interactions, using that information to make conversations and suggestions more relevant over time. So additionally, VoiceCare features cutting-edge speech recognition and natural language processing capabilities. So like it is called like NLP. So enabling users to interact naturally with the device through voice commands. So this makes the device easy to use even for those who may not be comfortable with traditional technology. So to further ensure safety, the device includes a built-in camera that monitors physical activity. So if the AI detects a lack of interaction, so it can trigger emergency contact alerts, ensuring peace of mind for both users and their families. So this product offers a variety of features tailored to improve the lives of all the adults. So one of its core functionalities is a range of mind-relaxing games that are designed to keep users mentally active, helping to stimulate cognitive function. So additionally, this product engages users in meaningful interactive conversations, so it remembers past interactions and uses that information to suggest activities or simply asks users how their day has been, creating a truly personalized experience. So beyond just conversation, the device also assists with daily routines. So whether it's greeting the user in the morning or reminding them to take their medications or attend appointments. So, but wise care goes beyond individual interaction. So it also brings people together. So users can engage in seamless video chats with family, friends, or caregivers and participate in group activities such as weekly bingo sessions. Likewise. So lastly, in cases where there is a concern about the user's well-being, so our product has an emergency alert system that contacts loved ones if no interaction is detected for a concerning period of time. So, this combination of features makes this product a true companion, offering both engagement and security. So we recognize that technology needs to evolve, especially when it's meant to support long-term engagement. So that's why this product will receive continuous software updates to improve its AI functionalities, ensuring the experience stays fresh and relevant. So as the world and the needs of all the adults change, so too will this product. So we will regularly refine our content library, adding new games like conversation topics, activities based on user feedback to keep the experience both entertaining and beneficial. So, moreover, we are committed to integrating new features as technology advances, like keeping our users engaged with the latest trends and social features. So this ensures this product wise care remains a long-term solution so that adapts to the changing needs of its users, always providing value in their day-to-day lives. So, of course, we will collaborate of the key partners. So we are proud to be working with like organizations like Helpage International, a global network that works to improve the lives of all the adults, and Aging Asia, a nonprofit dedicated and promoting healthy aging across the region. So these organizations like Asia Pacific Regional Networking of Aging, like these organizations help uh, industries to leverage their solutions to these kind of use cases. So so that is the wise care, our AI solution. This is one of the solution that we built recently. So there are a lot of solutions also in the as in the robotics sections. As for the robotics, so there are lot of solutions built in Sri Lanka as well. In recently, there is a summit about robotics. So there was also a robotic companion. So it will greet built by, I don't know the company name, but it will that robot will greet the person if you have a meeting or if you have a event. So if you uh, sorry, if you call a chief guest. So if you enter those that chief guest picture or details, then it will automatically detect that chief guest and go to that chief guest, and then it will greet for the first time, like hello, welcome, likewise. Uh, it is also a robotic, like it taller to like 4 to 5 feet. Uh, so if you have any questions, you can ask about this product or what are the solutions. So how do we build this product? So uh, or then we can move into the last session, which is the future trends of robotics AI. If you have any questions, you can ask about the previous sessions as well, like production use cases or what. Or we can move into the next session. Okay, let's move into the next session, advanced robotics and future trends. Um, so let me share my screen. Okay, so let's dive deep into the fascinating world of advanced robotics and explore the trends shaping its future. So, the rapid integration of AI and machine learning and emerging technologies like the IoT is revolutionizing how we perceive robotics. It's not just about machines doing repetitive tasks anymore. Robots, uh, sorry, robots. What is today becoming more autonomous, intelligent, and interactive. So they are making significant strides across multiple industries, and their impact on our cities and societies is profound. So I am excited to take you on this journey. So where we will all look at the key components driving this transformation and innovative trends that will shape the future of robotics. So to start, let's define what advanced robotics means. So, unlike traditional robotic systems that were primarily confined to assembly lines or controlled environments, advanced robotics represents the cutting edge of robotic innovation. So, these systems are not just machines, they are intelligent systems with enhanced capabilities, powered by AI and machine learning. So, they have a heightened sense of perception, can make decisions in real time, and most importantly, operate autonomously in environments that are unstructured and dynamic. So, whether navigating unpredictable terrains or interacting with humans, advanced robots are setting new standards for what technology can achieve. So, as we move forward, we'll see these robots not just in factories, but in homes, cities, and industries we once never imagined. So, a major force behind the evolution of robotics is the integration of AI and ML. So, these technologies allow robots to move beyond pre programmed responses. So, AI enables them to perceive their environment, make informed decisions, and interact in ways that feel more intuitive. So, machine learning, on the other hand, allows robots to adapt and improve their functions over time. So, imagine a robot deployed in a disaster zone. It's chaotic. the environment is constantly changing. So, but through AI, that robot can understand its surroundings and adjust its actions to respond to these changes effectively. So, over time, it learns from this experience, becoming better at its job faster and more accurate. So, it's this combination of adaptability and learning that is making the robots are more versatile and capable of tackling real world changes. So this AI concept is more important today's robotics session. So robotics field. So this AI can adaptably and learning uh, these robots so they can learn, do the self learn. Uh, So now these advanced robotic systems would not be nearly as effective without the breakthrough technologies in sensors and actuators. So sensors are the key eyes and the ears of these robots, giving them the ability to map and understand their surroundings with precision. So for instance, LiDAR sensors create 3D maps of environments, allowing robots to navigate with incredible accuracy. Or I uh, in the Tesla also they use this concept. So they will 3D maps surroundings, the environment of the car. Then they can uh, allow that car to navigate with incredible accuracy. So high resolution cameras help with object recognition and tracking, crucial for tasks that require detail and precision. So, but it's not just about seeing; it's also but about responding. So that's where actuators come in. So these components give robots smooth, natural movement, whether they are handling whether they are handling delicate objects or interacting with people. So by combining these advanced sensors and sorry, actuators, robots become not just reactive machines, but dynamic systems capable of operating efficiently in the real world, real time, ensuring safety and accuracy. So, one of the most exciting emerging fields in robotics is swarm robots. So, this concept is inspired by the collective behavior seen in nature. So, think about how ants work. Uh, just okay. Sorry for the waiting. So, this Swan robotics. So, this concept is inspired by the behavior seen in nature. I think about how ants work together in colonies or how birds move in synchronized flocks. So, swarm robotics can takes this concept into the realm of machine, allowing large groups of simple robots to collaborate on complex tasks. So the beauty of Swarm robots lies in its scalability and efficiency. So for example, imagine a group of Swarm robots being used for environmental monitoring. So they can be deployed over large areas like forest or oceans, gathering data in real time without the need for human intervention. So, in disaster zones, they can work together in search and rescue missions. So, locating victims quickly and efficiently. So, the swarm robotics is also finding its way into precision agriculture, uh, where groups of robots monitor crops and apply treatments only where necessary, optimizing the entire process. There are many benefits of swarm robots. You can explore more about this swarm robotic concept and see what are the use cases and what are the benefits and what are the challenges uh, facing to build these swarm robots. So also you can explore more, do the researches about these things. Uh, Okay, so in contrast to a rigid machines we usually picture when we think of robots. Soft robotics introduces a new dimension of flexibility. So, soft robots are built from materials that mimic the softness and adaptability of biological organisms. So, this flexibility makes them particularly useful in sensitive environments, such as in medical procedures, likewise. So, in the medical field, for instance, soft robots can perform minimally invasive surgeries with a level of precision and delicacy that traditional robots cannot. So, these robots can adapt to the shape of delicate tissues or organs, reducing the risk of damage. So, drawing inspiration from nature, soft robots often take on movements similar to creatures like octopuses and allowing them to navigate tight, complex spaces that rigid robots would struggle with. The safety and adaptability of these soft robots open new frontiers in human robot collaboration, especially in settings where safety is paramount. So, as cities evolve into smarter, more connected environments, the role of robotics will become increasingly significant. So, robotics will drive the urban transformation of tomorrow's cities, particularly in areas like transportation and urban management. So, autonomous transportation, including self-driving cars and delivery drones. Also, I think you heard about in the future, Uber will also use autonomous self-driving cars, like they will use self-driving cars to do their work for Uber. So it is also a very challenge for the people as well, for the workers in the Uber, drivers in the Uber. So let's see how will the future will adapt these AI technologies. So autonomous transportation, like including self-driving cars and delivery drones, will also revolutionize how we move within cities, making traffic congestion a thing of the past and improving logistics efficiency. So, robotics will also play a pivotal role in managing urban infrastructure. So, they'll monitor roads, maintain energy systems, and even optimize waste management process. So AI, we embrace smart cities. Robotics will not only enhance the efficiency of city management, but also contribute to making cities more sustainable and livable for future generations. So there are AI tools also if we focus on the energy industry, energy side in the solar sector. So there is application powered by Google. So we can it will get the satellite images satellite, so they have on satellite, so they will get the satellite images, so we can scan the area, so we can scan our house, so our uh, uh, sorry, what we call um, our house or in the building, top of the building, so we can scan and we can find the most efficient area that we can plant the solar system. So we don't need to go to the building, or we don't need to go to the near the building or the house. They will sit in back in the office, and they will do the all analytic part. They will tell how many kilowatt units we need to install, or all the kind of information they will give. So that is the AI that will emerges in the future. That is not in the future, it is also in the present they are using. So you can go through that application as well. You can search in the Google Solar something. I don't remember the name. You can explore it. So as we move toward a future where robots play a larger role in everyday life, so it is crucial to consider the ethical and social implications. So robotics represent exciting possibilities, but also raises important questions. So, for example, how do we ensure that robots are developed in a way that protects human safety and privacy? So, I will again say, for example, how do we ensure that robots are developed in a way that protects human safety and privacy? So, as robots take on more tasks, we must also consider the potential impact on employment. So, automation can lead to job displacement, and we must be prepared to address this challenge by retraining the workforce and helping people adapt to new roles in a rapidly changing job market. So, AI will not replace all the jobs. So, AI will replace not the person who will not adapt with the AI. So, we have to all the workers and employees and all the people in the future have to adapt with these AI technologies and get awareness and get to learn how we can move forward with this AI technology. So another consideration is the evolving nature of human robot interaction. So, with robots becoming more present in our daily lives, we need to reflect on the social and psychological effects of interacting with autonomous machines. So, ultimately, responsible development and deployment of robotics technology is essential to ensure a positive future for all of us. Um, So thank you all for your time and attention today. So as we've seen, advanced robotics is not only transforming industries, but reshaping our cities, societies in profound ways. So from medical applications to autonomous vehicles, the future of robotics promises to be both innovative and impactful. So recently, I hope you all saw that video with the SpaceX that they catch a shuttle from a robotics to arms. So that is also very advancement of the robotics AI. So you can see those videos in the SpaceX. Uh, so it is also very advanced technology. So they used it is the first time they catch a shuttle. So when usually they throw that shuttle into the sea or space. So in this case, they catch that shuttle with two robotic arms. So those are the advancement of robotics AI. So then they can reuse the shuttle without building a new shuttle. So that is why they are this advancement of robotics AI will save you money and time as well. So from medical applications to autonomous vehicles, the future of robotics promises to be both innovative and impactful. So if you have any further questions or sorry, would like to explore more about this topic, please do not hesitate to reach out. So you have this email address or you have this number and you can uh, give a WhatsApp message or you can give an email, reach out. So we would love to continue the discussion. So you can contact us via these details on the screen. So, and I look forward to hearing from you soon. If you have any questions now, you can ask in the chat box. Thank you once again. So let's wrap up the today's AI workshop and thank you all for your attention and thank you for joining. If you have any questions, you can ask again. I will give you like another 5 to 10 minutes.